Dear student, after study of ancestry of a chordate and difference between chordate and non-chordate, today we will see the salient features of chordate. What are the characters which are present into the chordate by which they are distinguished from non-chordate or separated from non-chordate. So these characters today we will see in detail. So let's see the characters of chordate. Number first one, the notochord, which is the dorsal, tubular, elongated, longitudinal, rod-like structure just present below the nerve cord. The second one is nerve cord, which is also dorsal, elongated, long, hollow structure made up of nerve cells. Pharyngeal gill slits. This is also the important characters of chordates. The gill slits are present at the pharynx regions. And presence of post-anal tail. So these characters are said to be the fundamental characters of chordate, which are present in all chordates. So on the basis of these fundamental characters, these two groups are to be present in kingdom Animalia. One is non-chordata and another is chordate. So what is about in the higher chordate? Higher chordate like vertebrate. This phylum Chordata again subdivided into two major groups. One is a protochordata, which include the hemichordata, urochordata and cephalochordata, and another important group vertebrata, which include the five major classes like Pisces, amphibians, reptiles, caves and mammals. So in these five important groups or the classes or the vertebrates in which the notochord is to be modified into vertebral column and the nerve cord is to be modified into the spinal cord and brain. So these characters are present into these fundamental characters are seen or visible in embryological development of all the chordates, basically higher chordates, and these protochordates will show these characters which persist throughout life. Then apart from these important fundamental characters, there are again some more characters which has been represented by the chordates, which are the presence of heart at the ventral side. In case of non-chordate, heart which may be present at dorsal or lateral side, but in chordate the heart which is present at ventral side only. Then the symmetry of a chordate is bilateral. From the center of axis, the chordates divide into two equal half. But in non-chordates, the symmetry they may be asymmetrical or radially symmetrical, or even they are also bilaterally symmetrical. Then chordates are eucoelomate individual, means they are having a true body cavity. So what is about this true body cavity? On the basis of this body cavity, in case of kingdom Animalia, the individuals are again divided into three different groups. Those without the body cavity are called as acoelomate. Those with a false body cavity are called as pseudocoelomate, and those with a true body cavity are called as coelomate or eucoelomate. What is the motto behind this body cavity? The body cavity which accommodate all the vital or visceral parts or the organs, so that all these kinds of the shocks or the jerks which occurs while different activity, they get absorbed through this fluid which is present into the body cavity, that is coelomic fluid, and the vital organ get safe from the shocks or injury. So the chordates are eucoelomate. Then segmentation is also present into the chordate. They are metamerically segmented, but in case of non-chordate, some of the individuals they are also metamerically segmented, and the best example is phylum Annelida in case of non-chordate. Then chordates are triploblastic, means they are having 3 germ layers: ectoderm, endoderm and mesoderm. So at the development of the embryo, the germ layers are to be present, and these germ layers which gives rise the all the parts or the tissue or organs of the body. So these chordates are triploblastic. Then chordates are having hepatic portal system, means the collecting veins which collect the deoxygenated blood from intestine, kidney or this posterior vital organs and pour this blood into the liver for the filtration. So that again system which presents in chordates. So this is about the salient feature of chordate along with the fundamental characters. After just observing all these characters, if you feel any query or doubt, please make a comment so that I will try to make clear all your doubt. Thank you.